Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Empties, very small Empties. I wanted to see how you guys were doing and do a little chit chat, see how the month of March is coming along, towards the end of March at that. It's been really, really nice down here in South Florida. We've had a nice little cold front that brought us down to about a nice 77-degree weather. It's perfect for all of the, our visitors that's coming up from north. Their little spring break here, enjoying the ocean and things of that nature. So I'm really happy that our weather is really nice for that type of situation also. I was able to go outside and do some gardening as well. So therapeutic to do that as well. One day I'll eventually show you guys the garden up in the front yard. But let's get right into the Empties. How are you guys doing? How's life? For me, I am doing quite well. I'm glad March Madness is not as crazy this year. I was able to calm it all the way back some and not do too many projects and activities. The youth here has returned down to the Florida area, South Florida area, about 3 days ago, I'm going to say. So I'll be going to the fair this weekend. Hopefully I'm able to bring up a Snapchat vlog for you guys to see eventually very soon. And we're taking it very easy, not doing too much. And I'm really proud that I did not really have too big of a hectic month so far. Getting excited for service coming up, Easter. All of the kids be doing some really cool creative projects during that time frame at church. Also, I enjoy watching these little girls have on their Easter outfits too. So cute. All right, I'm gonna get into the Empties now. It's not a lot. Just wanted to show you a couple of things and chit chat with you guys. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus All Day Wear, the setting spray. I love this so much. This is amazing. I like the spray. I wish there was a way for me to reuse this because the spray on this is amazing. I love this Wet n Wild, and this is something I would definitely purchase. My skin has been extremely dry, but this has been a lifesaver. This is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleaner, and I really like the scent of this as well. This has really helped me out with helping me clear out my skin and things of that nature. So it was amazing. This is a repurchase as well. Ooh, almost forgot about this. I have 2 of the wildflowers. Normally when they're empty, I have baskets in each of the bathroom. I let it sit there for a little bit because it still has a little bit of a scent. So I don't immediately trash it right away. Unless my kids get to it, then I'll have to throw it because it's glass. But I normally have it camouflage in the back with the potpourri, so that the scent could still be near the toilet area and things of that nature. But yeah, this is Ocean Drift, and this was really good. All right, this is a hair treatment. It's from Sheer Moisture. It's the Manuka Honey Marafa Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And I had this for a while, but this was really amazing, you guys. Well, here we go, I think. Here we go. So this product really helped with keeping my hair soft and lock in the moisture. Something that I would also purchase. And my last 2 items are the mascara. This wasn't too good. The Seville Volumizing Mascara. I want to say I got this from Shop Miss A. And this was dry. And I know I probably opened it really late. But it didn't have any product. I didn't like it too much. And it had a very strong scent to it. Yeah, that was the main reason why I didn't open it often. And the e.l.f. Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I love this actually. This is really good and very effective. And I use this quite some time. My thumb has turmeric on it because I've been making smoothies with turmeric, the root itself, and it really causes a nice strong color to your hand, especially when you're cutting it. Yeah, but this I had this for probably well over 90 days, so it already dried out, but it's something I would definitely repurchase again. And that was my small empties that I have for you guys for this quarter, because I keep forgetting to, number one, save them. So I'm glad I was able to keep a couple of things so you guys have an idea of what I've been using and what has been helping me out. And majority of the items were really good for me. So you guys continue on being a blessing to others, and I will catch you guys very soon. Talk to you later. Bye.